What's up with y'all, man? This your boy DJ Spoosico, man. And listen, man, I'm gonna be giving y'all and sharing to y'all 15 money saving hacks, man, that is guaranteed to save you money in 2020, all right? Now listen, if y'all new to my channel, I need y'all to do this good favor for me, all right? I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe to the boy, man, if y'all want more content, man, all right? So like I said before, we're going to be talking about 15 money saving hacks in 2020 that has been proven to work, all right? So listen, y'all, so check this out, man. So all these hacks is not in order or anything like that, over priority or anything like that. That's really up to you guys, man, to prioritize the hacks that I'm about to give you guys, all right? But I'm gonna start with number one, man. Start paying cash for everything, all right? That's my money hack number one. The reason for this is you'll be able to see where your money go instead of just keep swiping. Then you check your account 5 days later and you wondering what the heck happened. If you pull out cash for everything, you'll know exactly what you're doing with your money, man, all right? All right, y'all, so listen, hack number two, all right? And I've been saying this before in my previous videos, but grocery shop, man, I'm telling you, start grocery shopping, man. That saves you a lot of money in the long run, man, all right? When you buy your groceries and you cook at the house, that saves you dollars. Like, you guys don't understand. You guys pay $8, $7 at McDonald's, man, and that junk add up real quick, all right? So that's my money hack number two. All right, listen, hey, my money hack number three, all right, is check on the car insurance that you have, all right? Now, a lot of people be so content with what they have and like not checking for lower rates for car insurance. Definitely do that, all right? So definitely, like, cause what the car insurance do, this is what they do, let me tell you. So if you stay with them, let's say you have a 6-month term or a year term for an individual car insurance, no matter what that is, they'll usually keep upping the rates because you're not going anywhere. You know what I mean? But if you keep checking on the rates for different car insurances, you will be able to get different rates all the time. All right, so check this out, man. So my money hack number 4 is, and it's gonna be a funny one, and it should be an obvious one, all right? When you leave for work or leave for the gym or anytime you leave your house, make sure the lights are cut off, TVs are cut off, everything is off, all right? Because you don't want nothing to still be on if you're gonna be leaving for the majority of the day. You don't want a light to be on, you know what I mean? Or you don't want a TV to be on. Make sure everything gets cut off in the house, all right? Make sure everything is pitch black. That one was kind of simple. So my number 5 money hack is to try to save 20% of your net income. All right, now if y'all see my previous videos about finance and money, y'all know that I keep preaching this to save money, all right? Because you never know when the road's gonna get bumpy or anything like that. And the 6 money hack, man, make a budget. This is probably one of the most important ones, money hacks for 2020 that I have, man, all right? I'm not gonna over talk y'all with the budget, man, but y'all know, man, make a budget on everything that you spend on your expenses, all right? Make a budget, all right? I cannot explain that enough. Make a budget. You need to be in control of your money, man, and I'm gonna leave it at that, all right? Make a budget in 2020. That's what we doing. All right, man, my number 7 hack, man, money hack, start shopping at thrift stores, all right? Now, hold on. Now, I know some of y'all probably gonna be like, oh, I don't shop at the thrift store. I got all designer. Come on, man, really? Do you really need all of that, man? Shop at the thrift store for simple stuff like t-shirts, all right? Or anything small like that, man. Why would you go and spend all this kind of money on t-shirts, pants, hats, and all of that stuff, all right? So start shopping at thrift stores. There's nothing wrong with it. All right, so my number 8 money hack, man, is to cut the subscriptions, all right? If you're not using them, simple, cut them. Because best believe they're yanking money out your account every single month that you have that subscription that you're not using, okay? Definitely cut that. You don't need it. Get rid of it because they are stealing from you. Technically, if you're not using it, they're literally in your account pulling money out. So please get rid of that mess, all right? All right, my number 9 money hack for 2020 is stop eating out. We ain't doing that no more in 2020, all right? You can probably do that 1 time a week and that's it, all right? And even that's, now I won't say that's pushing it. 1 time a week is fine, all right? You can eat out 1 time a week, maybe 2, depending on the occasion and everything like that, all right? I know people want to get out and eat and everything like that. But we cooking at the house the majority of the time around here, all right? In 2020, that's what we doing. We gonna start grocery shopping. We gonna start cooking. Cook, stop eating out. That's my number 9. All right, guys. My number 10 money hack for 2020 is don't fly when you can drive, all right? Flying costs a lot of money, all right? A lot of money if it's close by. Now, I don't know how long you guys love to drive. Some people love driving, some people don't. But me, my threshold, if I can get there in 10 hours driving, I'd rather just drive, all right? It saves me so much money instead of buying a flight or a round trip flight for hundreds of bucks. That could be for gas. And the best thing about driving is you'll be able to have your car, your transportation to wherever you're going. Because if you fly there, guess what? You don't have a car. So you might want to rent a car out there, which costs even more money, all right? So listen, never fly when you can drive, all right? All right, guys, so my number 11 money hack, okay, is to sell your old stuff. It's a lot of stuff that I have. It's probably a lot of stuff that you guys have that either you outgrown, you don't want no more, you don't like it anymore, sell it, all right? It's so many ways you can sell stuff nowadays. You got Facebook Marketplace, you got eBay, you got Craigslist. Like, it's so many websites and stuff you can go to sell your stuff. Do it. If you're not using it, it's just wasted, all right? So get rid of that stuff. All right, guys, so listen, my number 12 money hack for 2020, all right? When you think you need a new car, you don't, all right? Don't get into that mind frame and when you start to see other people driving nice stuff. Listen, if it's not your time, it's not your time. If you cannot afford it, you cannot afford it, all right? Trust me, when you think you need a new car, you don't, okay? I promise you that, all right? So just because your friend's driving something new, just because your uncle, your aunties, or your friends driving new stuff, that don't make it good for you, okay? And 95% of the time, they couldn't afford what they got. So don't follow behind that trend thinking, oh, okay, well, since Johnny got a new car, let me go get a new car. No, all right? Don't be a fool, all right? Think about your finances and stop. When you think you need a new car, most likely than not, you don't need one, all right? All right, guys, so listen. Number 13, money hack, all right? And it goes with grocery shopping. Now, I think I already said it in the video. But prepare your food for work, all right? It's nothing worse than getting to work and you starving to death and you're hungry because you didn't prepare your food the night before. Meaning, no one's not gonna starve to death. Meaning, you will go straight to the gas station or you will go straight to the store, fast food, and you would buy stuff just for that, just for a meal, all right? So prepare. You don't want to go through that. Prepare your food so you can have something to eat and you don't have to spend no money on food that day, or you know what I mean, at work. So prepare your food the night prior, take it with you to work so you have something to eat, all right? Number 14 money hack for 2020 is a water filter, all right? So I drink a lot of water, all right? And I used to do the water bottles, but they kept going out super fast, and I kept having to go back and forth to the grocery store to get water bottles, all right? So get you a water filter. It costs probably like 20 bucks at Walmart, and they last forever, I promise you, all right? All right, guys, so check this out. My number 15 money hack for 2020 that's been proven to work, all right? Obviously, pay off your debt, all right? Last but not least, pay off your debt if you can. You make a budget, you find out where you got that room to pay off those credit cards, to pay off that debt, to pay some more off your car, anything like that, all right? So my last and not least, my 15th money hack for 2020 is to pay off all debt, all right? Pay it all off, all right? So that's it, man. Listen, y'all like, comment, subscribe to the video, man. If y'all like it, man, y'all tell me any more money hacks, man. Share it to the people, all right? Share the money hacks to the folks, because I might still need some money hacks. Y'all let me know. I'm not no expert in this, all right? I'm just showing y'all and teaching y'all about what I know. All right, so listen, so like I said, y'all like, comment, subscribe to the boy if y'all want more content, man. This your boy DJ Smith.